How to fix live option missing on TikTok. So if you want to fix live option missing on TikTok, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. And don't worry if you don't have your 1,000 followers, because there is a way to have a live option even if you don't have the 1,000 followers. So you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. After that, go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar, and then tap on settings and privacy. Once you go with settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. Now you can simply scroll all the way down and go with chat with us or report a problem, or you can just go with live section, tap on live and tap on hosting live, and tap on no, which is on the bottom, and tap on need more help. And this will take you to the TikTok help desk or the report a problem page. You can simply go with report a problem or just go with your support tickets and you can send a ticket. But if you're not being able to do that, you just need to simply go with live and tap on I cannot start a live, and you'll get some instructions. But if it takes you to report a problem page, then you just need to simply go and report a problem. You can say, hi TikTok team, I'm not being able to have the live option. It's missing on my TikTok and I can't go live, so please help me with that. And once you've written that, you can simply submit your ticket. Once you've submitted, then TikTok might take action on that and you might fix your problem. Or you can just go with the TikTok help desk and then you can chat. It's a live chat and then you can simply chat on how you can fix it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.